Hi, I'm Jack Canfield, and I'm so excited to be speaking at Pendulum Resurgence, the first ever virtual event put on by my friends at Pendulum Summit. And I'm reaching out to you to join me and a host of other global visionaries on November 27th, where we will guide you through these disruptive times and show you how to remain resilient, unshakable, and optimistic, and how to find opportunities in the midst of uncertainty. You know, I've been studying and working with and coaching the world's most successful people for more than 50 years. And I will share with you the proven principles and disciplines of success that I've learned from them so that you can succeed and thrive no matter what is happening economically, medically, or politically in the world. So make sure to join me and our incredible community of thought leaders from around the globe for a day of quantum learning, inspired leadership, and human solidarity. You know, one thing I've learned in over 50 years of helping people achieve massive and sustainable success is that the only things that ever change your future are the decisions you make and the actions you take today. So make the decision today to join us at Pendulum Resurgence and book your place now by going to pendulumsummit.com.